Congrats,
थैंक यू दोस्तों. ये मेरे और दोस्तों ने फूल चॉकलेट सब भेजा है. इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट डिसाइड लाइक एंगेजमेंट. एक काम करते को इतना चॉकलेट भेजेंगे ना तो अपनी शादी पे मोटा आएगा. तो मैं आने वाला हूँ शायद मोटा.
But this is also so true, right? Like the more you know a person, the less you're going to send them flowers and shit. You're going to get like
Yeah.
from the three of us, you're going to be like, "हाँ, congrats, Thakur."
एक मिनट.
Yeah,
हम तीनों को डेड एंड से मालूम पड़ा है, so please.
No,
Yeah.
मेरे को
No,
डेड एंड
I-
से नहीं मालूम पड़ा. मेरे को पता है
Yeah.
किससे पता मालूम पड़ा.
निकिता का
नहीं,
स्टोरी.
मेरे को नेविल शाह से पता चला, जो
हाँ,
ग्रुप पे लिखता है
getting
ठाकुर
angry.
व्हाट द फक.
Yeah.
That's how I found out. I'm like, what happened to Thakur? And then I find out it's good news. But Bhava's like, what the fuck?
अरे मेरे को लगा मैंने तुम लोग को मैसेज किया बाद में कुछ पहले. एक बार
What?
पहले हम लोग फोटो डालेंगे और फिर बाकी पब्लिक को करने देंगे. इसलिए एक वैसे ग्रुप पे डाला फोटो तो पब्लिक और ऑलरेडी शेयर करने लग गया था. ऐसे जैसे लेट द न्यूज़ कम फर्स्ट फ्रॉम अस. मेरे को लगा मैंने तुम लोग भेजा था लेकिन सॉरी. और आधा मस्त फोटो डाला तूने आज अपन चारों का जिसमें तूने मुझे फोटोशॉप किया.
बहुत
तुम
अच्छा
लोग ने मेरे
photo.
प्रपोजल को हाँ बोला.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Are
मेरे-
Siddhi was very impressed by the level of Photoshop that has gone into
Yeah.
aligning my shoulder with your shoulder, Thakur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking amazing.
No, your shoulder with Thakur's father's shoulder. So it was just too perfect a photo where everybody's just right next to each other.
हाँ बट हम इसके ये प्रपोजल से पॉडकास्ट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हम सब लोग सेट लिख रहे हैं इस पे. दैट्स द सैड पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग अ कॉमेडियन. लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी चीज होगी और तूने कहा यार चल इसका भी 10 मिनट तो हो ही जाएगा, फटाफट लिख के डालो.
You know, a proposal is such good content that Bhava also wants to do a second marriage just so he can get one more special out of it.
But in this case, she'll say no.
Yeah.
That's the only way it's material for me. Otherwise,
So
it's
that's
not
going
material.
downhill too.
Yeah.
Going downhill.
No, it's
again.
going on one knee.
downer hill.
Yeah.
Going downer hill.
It should be called going underground.
Yeah, or more going, more downhill.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random and shocking facts, trivia, and opposite stories and we talk about it. And today's episode is on the shittiest remakes by Bollywood of Hollywood movies. And
Yay.
Leading the pack. Who wants to go first with leading the pack?
Oh, there's
What
so
would be
much,
the
man.
worst
There's
one?
so
Fight
much.
Club? Was that a good contender?
bro, the
Fight
thing
Club,
about
they
Fight
didn't even
Club
change
is-
the name. It didn't have any of the actual story. There was no like.
No.
it-
1 second. I'm sorry. The one where they like there are some where they just they haven't even changed the name in terms of translation. Also, they've not changed the name in some cases. ये इतना खराब है. ठीक है.
Wait, लेकिन Fight Club देखा है तुम लोग ने? The Hindi one with Sohail Khan, Ashmit Patel.
I have, weirdly, I have seen a
Sunil
lot
Shetty
of
भी है
it.
ना उसमें.
Yeah,
Even
everyone
I've
is there,
seen it.
dude.
Ritesh
But I've seen it
Deshmukh,
Z Cinema pe, like one
Always.
scene at a time. Yeah,
always.
correct.
It's a culmination of many years of watching the movie to piece it
Yeah.
all together.
It's like, you watch a scene and it's like 2 years later, it's like, oh, ये ऐसा था इसलिए.
No, but I remember when Fight Club, the Desi Wala came out. एक तो pretty much for all of us, Fight Club will rank in one of our most favorite movies ever, right? And we've seen the original.
This is the
और मैं
David
जब भी
Fincher.
इसका
yeah.
ट्रेलर देखा था, I still remember I was in college. I was like,
हाँ.
bro, तुम लोग ने नाम चेंज किया. जो ओरिजिनल फाइट क्लब का मीनिंग है, तुम लोग ने वो मीनिंग को लेके तो फेंक ही दिया है. ठीक है बात. इन लोग ने सिर्फ this is how Bollywood का remakes happen.
In this
इन लोगों को अंदर
Fight
डालो,
Club, you
मारा
can
मारी
tell.
करो.
In this Fight Club, you can tell everyone about it.
Everyone.
Yeah. Dude,
And if
so
they
recently-
if they had told everyone
No one
about
would
it,
go.
more people would have seen the goddamn movie.
yeah, it's like first rule of Fight Club. Don't talk about Fight Club. So nobody did.
You know what the first rule of Fight Club is? You do not remake Fight Club. That should have been
Yeah.
the first rule.
No, but even if you want to remake Fight Club, like, what about seeing Brad Pitt made you go, you know what? Sohail Khan would be the perfect replacement.
And just to add insult to injury, Ashmit Patel को भी डाल दे इसके अंदर. And you're like, bro, Ritesh Deshmukh है
Dude,
ये movie.
okay, one thing.
Dude,
like,
one sec,
this
one
was a
sec. Do you
thing.
guys-
Bhag Milkha Bhag. For a very serious point of time, instead of Farhan Akhtar, it was going to be Ashmit Patel
Really?
in Bhag Milkha Bhag. It was very, very serious.
I refuse to believe this.
This is Adar pulling out facts from his ass, dude.
I
I'm sure.
refuse to
This is
believe it.
legit facts that
How-
I've got on the down low
नहीं,
from the
Adar-
casting directors.
हाँ आदर तू बता तेरा सोर्स बता कौन है
हाँ,
Casting
मैं
director
source
है
नहीं
ना?
बताऊँ. हाँ.
मैं बोला अभी
I'm not
this is
telling
how
who.
this is how
Because you can't
it
look
played
up who the fuck you got.
this is how it played out अरे मैंने कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से सुना आदर अपना सोर्स बता नहीं मैं नहीं
नहीं।
बताऊंगा
This is also Varun's stand-up set where he'll do the joke and then he'll demonstrate the joke.
पर it's almost अंदाज अपना अपने हाथ ऊपर किया ना hands up
Sir,
But,
ऊपर ही तो थे.
Sorry, just to go back to Fight Club for a second. I just want to ask you guys, have you ever seen a bigger collection of B-grade actors in one movie?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
Yes.
called Thus.
it's got no एक मिनट that has nothing
No,
One
that's
chance.
decent, dude.
जानी
Okay, no,
दुश्मन
wait,
एक
1 minute.
अनोखी कहानी
Yes, but those were
Wait.
A-listers also. Huh?
They were,
I see your एक अनोखी कहानी and I raise you. And I raise you.
I know which
Full
one.
and Final, dude, which was a copy of Snatch. The Guts to
Oh.
copy
The
Snatch,
Guts.
where Shahid Kapoor is playing Brad Pitt, dude.
Nice.
So,
एक मिनट
yeah.
सबसे पहले ना तुम जब ये लोग पिक्चर देखते हैं ठीक है दिस इज स्नैच इज गाय रिची एट हिज पीक
Yeah.
okay
Yeah,
Pre-Aladdin guy, Richard.
that sort of comedy that sort of fucking quick cutting technique everything you can't replicate and even if you thought of replicating it तेरे को क्या लगे प्रियादर्शन ने बनाया ना कि
हाँ,
अहमद खान ने बनाया
No. Priyadarshan, I want to talk about a Priyadarshan movie also, which is a legendary film. Okay, it is. This is Ahmad Khan, but the legendary film called Kyunki, It's Fate. Can you tell me the English? Can you tell me the English movie it's taken from?
I'm
Just for
scared.
context, it is Salman Khan, Kareena Kapoor.
I know क्योंकि
Rimi Sen,
इतना
Jackie
प्यार
Shroff.
तुमसे
प्यार तुमको
करते
The movie is taken from.
Give a
I'm
clue.
singing over. I'm doing overdub just so the algorithm doesn't catch the tune.
Give
Okay.
clue, Baba. Give clue.
If Varun is singing, it won't catch the tune. But just saying, okay, I'm going to give you a clue. It has Jack Nicholson in it.
One
As
flew
good
over
as it
the
gets.
cuckoo's nest.
As good as it
The
gets.
Shining.
Over the
Cuckoo's
cuckoo's
Nest, dude.
nest.
One flew.
Dude.
What?
Yeah, they have copied One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, dude.
Wait, and Salman plays a guy who's in a who's institutionalized.
Yeah. And Kareena
Wow.
Kapoor is his doctor.
I really thought this was Shining because Kyuki sounds like a horror movie.
But it's not.
एक मिनट.
Yeah.
I wanted to see Shining remake with Bhai.
अरे बाप.
मेरे को वो देखना
It's just Bhai being Bhai. It's just- How difficult would it be to see
No, you
Bhai
know,
with an axe
By the way,
trying to break down a door?
no, guys, you're jumping the gun. So Shining with Bhai would just be like a extended version of that bar scene where he's sitting in the bar and the guy's like, "You want another drink? अरे लगाओ यार तुम क्या बात करते हो? चलो चलो."
No,
How
I
have
want-
we,
I-
guys?
I-
How have we made this about Bhai, guys? How is it possible?
You,
I'm so
you-
scared.
you
What
said
will they do when the
Kyuki.
elevator opens and the blood? I don't know what that is going to be.
एक मिनट पहले कोई उसको कैबिन फीवर क्या होता है वो समझाओ ठीक है
No, if you
Okay.
keep him in a vanity van for more than 6 hours, I bet he comes out with an axe only. It's like, क्या है तुम लोग का यार shoot करो जल्दी जल्दी.
Guys, this is.
I don't think you're hearing shoot karo jaldi from Salman.
Like there is a small hint where you remember Partner, how it was copied from
Hitch.
Will
Hitch.
Smith's Hitch. So
Yeah.
there are saying a lot of people are saying that Hitch was copied from Choti Si Baat. which if you think about it from a plot really makes sense because Amol Palekar and Vidya Sinha, that's how they sort of like with the only difference is Ashok Kumar is there. That's the
They looked at an Ashok Kumar movie in the 60s or 70s and said that in the early 2000s we'll get Will Smith to play that. Yeah.
But dude, that was a good movie though.
Before we go forward, like just talking about remakes, it's so funny ki when we were growing up, the four of us, pretty much every movie that you saw,
Every
right?
third movie, yeah.
Every third movie, now in hindsight, you know it was a ripoff.
Yeah.
But many times you watch that movie before you watch the movie it was copied.
yeah,
from.
yeah.
Right? I'll give you an example. Sangharsh yaad hai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Copied from,
Sangharsh,
yeah.
is copied from Postman
Silence.
Always. No, sorry,
Oh, no.
Silence of the Lambs.
Silence
Yeah.
of the Lambs is Sangharsh, yes.
It's Sangharsh, right?
Yeah.
So I had seen Sangharsh first.
And you
Because
were
it
like,
was-
Akshay Kumar, wow.
अरे
And
kill
Ashutosh
कर दिया
Rana,
है, क्या
wow.
wow,
Yeah.
ऐसा वो कर रहा है उसमें, oh wow. और फिर मैं Silence of the Lambs देखा, because the Sangharsh also came out when we were very young, like 10
Yeah,
years
yeah.
old or
Correct.
something. And then you watch Silence of the Lambs, and it was insane. और ऐसा करते करते over the years, there are so many movies that I first watched. I'll tell you another example. Even this one, Dushman करके movie था काजोल का,
Yeah.
right? It was Postman Always Rings Twice.
Yeah.
It was a thriller, but when I watched the movie, my mind was blown. I said, "Fuck, क्या picture बना रहे हैं आजकल?" That was a Bhatt Camp movie only, if I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
yeah. But this is
Eye
true
for an
so
eye,
many of
apparently.
these. There's
Dushman
so
was
many
eye
of
for an
these.
eye.
There's so many
Dude.
of these, like when Harry Met Sally. Fortunately, you saw that
Salary.
before you saw Hum Tum. But
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
but guys, come on. Bazigar from Kiss Before Dying. I
But-
don't know if you saw Kiss
एक मिनट,
Before
सबसे
Dying.
पहले तो we have to say कि उसमें है अब्बास मस्तान, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
We've grown up on a staple diet of Abbas Mastan movies, and I've loved each and every one of them, including Tarzan the Wonder Car.
Oh, by the way, I thought
Which is
you were going to
also
say,
Tarzan the Wonder Car is also a rip-off of अपना Knight Rider. So
hey, did you guys see the latest Abbas Mustan? It's called Tenet. मस्त है। वही है dude, same है, like तेरे को पता है who recruited you, I recruited you, therefore it is तू जानता है, मैं जानता हूँ कि तू जानता है, like it's that.
But before I recruited you, you recruited me.
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
you don't know
yeah.
that I
It's
recruited you,
just-
but I
it's-
know that you
and
recruited me.
it works better when there are two directors, because one director starts shooting the movie forward, the other backwards, and they just meet halfway.
Abbas is forward, Mustan is backward.
चिपका
You
देते
know,
हैं
it
इसको.
would be really great
नहीं,
if they
और-
were Abbas Sabba, because then they would be really forward and backward, dude.
But उसमें उसका एक तीसरा भाई भी है,
Yeah.
जो एडिटर है।
हाँ.
तो एक उल्टा शूट करा, दूसरा उल्टा शूट करा, और बीच में I
Oh,
think
by,
वो-
आ जाओ.
by the way,
Hussein,
वो
Hussein
बीच में
होता
खड़े,
है।
आप इधर आओ, हाँ इधर, हाँ आ जाओ, और
No,
लोग
but
पीछे लो.
at the end of it, he's the guy who takes the knife and kills Abbas and Mastan, saying, "ये क्या shoot करके लाए हो तुम लोग?"
by the way,
But you know,
guys,
so, हाँ,
there is a personal story about Tenet. Okay, Adar and I saw Tenet recently, like 2-3 days
Yeah.
back, and so it was Adar, Aparna, Siddhi, and I. Okay, and
And nobody else in the theater.
no, there's very few people, very few
Yeah.
people. Siddhi and I enter the theater first, and our tickets were M8 and M10. Okay, so we go to our seats, and
Did
we
you
see
all
the-
enter first and Adar saw you all enter? Or
No, no,
did
he
you
came-
all leave
he was-
and Adar saw you all enter before he left when he came
There
in?
is.
No.
No, but wait, Baba, it's that only happened. I'll tell you what happened. So we enter the
Oh.
thing, and there are two people sitting in our seats. Okay, in M8 and M10. So we go
Whoa.
like, listen, buddy, this is our seat. So he says, no, we've also got the same tickets. How can it be? So he shows his ticket. Okay, so and the thing was we looked at his ticket, and it was, the problem was that he had booked a ticket for the next day, and they had come today to see it. So
Wow.
basically it was literally Tenet. ये लोग
Correct.
future से
Wow.
आके past में movie देख रहा था.
But one sec,
ये
did you
backwards चल रहे.
Yeah.
please tell me you didn't sit in that seat and you changed your seat?
No, we sat in that
No,
seat.
they
Did
left.
you sanitize the seat before sitting on?
Yeah, that we did.
Oh,
Yeah.
good boy.
We
Well
made
done.
them do
Savlon.
that. And Kautuk and I actually had an idea in the interval के बाद Kautuk and like we'll come backwards walking to our seats. They did, but then I remembered Kautuk's hand-to-eye coordination. I was like, okay, let's
No,
not injure
also,
somebody.
Adar, to be very honest, that only you can pull off. Like nobody else is interested in walking backwards into a seat for a laugh. It's too much work.
अरे dude, वो लोग popcorn अंदर लेने नहीं दिया, so we
Oh
were
yeah,
sitting
you can't
outside.
eat popcorn in theater anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. So we were sitting
So
outside.
सब लोग बाहर खड़े के खा रहे जल्दी जल्दी.
And bro, we entered late. Like we entered like 2 minutes late, and then I couldn't understand the movie at all.
Oh.
It's fucking complex.
But did you enter 2 minutes early?
No.
Okay. Okay.
अरे, we can't
really
talk about
quickly.
Tenet.
हाँ,
चलना,
चल
आगे
चल
बढ़।
fuck next.
Kante, guys, let's wait before we talk about shitty remakes. Kante, of course, was one of them, but I'm saying,
Yeah,
should we
and
also talk
I know
about
Varun is going to get irritated. Yeah, because it's just Tarantino.
No, but I actually like Karte.
Yeah.
Because of
Ah,
one
okay.
thing.
Between the two, which would you watch?
Of course. Karte. Usual suspect.
Reservoir
Sanjay
Dogs,
Dutt.
Reservoir Dogs.
Reservoir
Kante.
Dogs.
Usual
No,
Suspects
sorry.
is
By the way,
different.
Kate is Reservoir Dogs and Usual Suspects.
Yeah,
Mix.
it's a
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
mix
bhelpudi.
किया है. देख, so you know, before we get into the movies that were remakes,
Usual
you have to see
Dogs
the guys
is what Kante
who
is.
are actually doing it, right? So you had the Bhatts who were
Yeah.
blatantly
At
copying.
least, yeah.
Abbas Mastan, मतलब pretty much every movie was छापो.
Sanjay Gupta,
Sanjay Gupta तो मतलब literally you frame by frame. even
frame
तेरा-
by frame.
The good thing though with Sanjay Gupta was he would sort of get away with it stylistically, right? Because even when Katia and all came out, bro, you think like a lot of people sat and knew about
हाँ वो आधा
Reservoir
green
Dogs.
screen, हाँ आधा green
Not
screen.
at all.
No, but
You know-
this is also a point about like back in like the sort of pre-internet era, right? There was such a big difference between like there was a genuine geographical like a distance, right? So stuff
Yeah.
that was happening in America, very few people knew about it, or stuff that was happening in Korea, though nobody knew.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
which is why like you would go like the joke was that only na ki the Bhattcam's writers are basically given a pack of DVDs.
No,
Yeah.
literally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
So,
there
like-
was a point where there was a radio, and this is I'm talking about music. There was a radio that would tune in to the African radio channels where they would do like imagine folk music in India, okay, and they
Yeah.
have their own AM frequencies.
Right.
That way, African music, like proper folk African proper music, you could
Yeah.
tune in here, and people are like, "Ye suno aur sida uthao."
Yeah,
And
there's,
that's
there's
what was
lots. I mean,
happening.
I'm saying, but I mean, if we get into music, it's another podcast altogether. But I'm saying like
Yeah.
stuff like Mehbooba, which is an iconic song, is taken from
Egyptian
a
or
folk
something,
song,
no?
right? Yeah, so it's Middle Eastern in some way. But
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
it's
So-
Middle Eastern in some way. But
So,
yeah,
for example, like now it's at least gotten a little better where at least some people are because obviously now you can't even get away with it. Like,
Yeah.
you shoot something that's similar to anything in the world and someone will find out.
Dude,
Correct.
you know, it
So-
doesn't even have to be like a direct ripoff of a movie. Nowadays, if you have a sequence
Yeah.
even
in
if
one of your films,
thematically
that
also works.
that is similar to something public, सीधा jump मार के they will know and they will point out exact fucking
Barfi,
pieces.
Barfi, for
Barfi,
example.
yeah. Dude, अपना Oscar nominated movie था India से Barfi, which is literally they have sat down and put some 30 odd sequences.
It's not
of,
30. The whole film has different like movies
Buster
across.
Keaton and
Chaplin.
Waplin सब and little scenes वो दूर से ऐसे मालूम है गाड़ी आ रही है and he gets scared but turns out to be two bikes and it goes around. You know, so many of those ladder.
No,
wala
all of it.
sequence.
That whole window scene, choreography, all of that, like going up
Completely.
the ladder down.
Now the thing is, when you ask Anurag Basu why is it so similar, he says homage. Right?
Yeah.
So now where does homage end and plagiarism begin? Right?
Mm.
It's a very blurry line. So
But there's also that very famous quote, right? Which is good writers borrow, great writers steal.
Yeah.
Still.
and originality is just hiding your sources. Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
But at the same time, like
it's all justification for
Correct.
Yeah.
for
plagiarism.
getting away with shit. But Tarantino, bro, fucking love the guy. But we all know that
छापता है full.
he has a great eye for remixing, right? कि मैं
Yeah.
एक Chinese movie से लेगा, यहाँ से लेगा. But when I put it and make it, it'll just come out as something new.
So the
Which even Kanye said that, you know, Kanye had that quote also, right? Which was something similar to this, where nothing
With
is
sampling.
original. Nothing
Yeah.
is original now. It's always like good artists is taking stuff that has happened and then
So the
adding
thing
their
about
own
the thing
spin
about
to it.
Tarantino, etc. Tarantino doesn't steal plot lines.
Yeah.
What
Like,
he's
proper
doing is he's
sequences,
taking
sequences.
he's either taking a sequence or he's looking at a stylistic treatment.
नहीं but
or
then
he's
you
looking
can
at all
say you can say this for Bappi Lahiri also ना कि वो sample कर रहा था वो time पे sample.
no, you can't. No,
नहीं,
I'll
नहीं,
tell you
नहीं.
why.
क्यों?
I'll
ये
tell
है
you why.
मुंबई मेरी
Because
जान was a straight up like sampling versus adding something
you
new.
sing
So,
"Oh My Darling Clementine" and you say "ये है Bombay मेरी जान." Those songs are note for note similar.
yeah.
It's not-
but the
It's
you
no
know
longer
the places where he's just ripped off the tune and shit, like there are obviously songs where it's the exact same thing, but there are some songs where it's just the riff. So why can you just be like Bappi's back then the word sampling wasn't there, so Bappi was like shit yaar main kya bolu, so it's stolen. But
Hmm.
now he can probably properly go like yaar main to sample kar raha tha before it was cool.
But you know, let's stick to movies because गाना तो एक अलग पॉडकास्ट में अपन करेंगे. बट लाइक इन मूवीज आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस मूवी. ठीक है, मैं और मेरा दोस्त हम लोग थिएटर में पिक्चर देखने गए और पिक्चर का नाम है दीवानगी. ओके, दीवानगी
आई-
स्टारिंग अजय देवगन, अक्षय खन्ना,
अरे।
उर्मिला मातोंडकर. ठीक है, आई एम सिटिंग इन द थिएटर वाचिंग द मूवी. देख रहा हूँ सडनली ना इट्स जस्ट लाइक फकिंग सिमिलर लग रहा है. कुछ कहाँ देखा है. और फिर सडनली अजय देवगन ऐसे एक इंटरोगेशन सीन में पागल हो रहा है. When he's accused of murder and he's like, हाँ मैंने उसको मारा 56 बार किया, मैंने उस पे ये वो ऐसे सब किया. फक, ये भी बहुत सिमिलर लग रहा है. You know what fucking movie this was? It was Primal Fear. You remember Primal Fear? Richard Gere and Ed Norton.
Ed Norton.
Norton's debut, by the way,
Yeah.
was this movie. He slammed it. मैं picture देखा and then I realized it's scene by scene छापेश.
Hmm.
Like
ये तो
literally,
मेरा-
even like the courtroom scenes have been okay, not word to word because अपने इधर अलग वे में बोलेंगे, but the flow, it's like you're not just taking the idea of a person who pretends to get mental illness to get out of a murder charge, right? While the whole time foxing his lawyer who believed in him. The funny
like-
part is, no, it doesn't end there. The funny part is, जो point पे primal fear खत्म होता है ना,
हाँ.
वो point है अपने
Intermission.
इधर का intermission.
हाँ.
It finishes that अक्षय खन्ना realize अरे अजय देवगन ने चूतिया बनाया and interval. उधर प्राइमल फियर खत्म हो गया, आगे
खत्म
चली
हो
गई.
गया.
They had gone कि हो गया भाई, इतना ही था. We don't need to do much. Then the entire
God.
second half is so fucking Bollywood.
Hmm.
उसके पीछे जाता है, फिर ये होता है, फिर एक गाना आएगा, फिर ब्लू ब्ला ब्लू, and then एक open ended है, ending है where अजय देवगन who's obsessed with Urmila is actually not dead, he may be alive. ये करके खत्म किया. And the entire second half you're just yawning through it because you're like, okay, I've seen this like a million times, but people in the theater were going nuts because
Yeah.
not everybody
Yeah.
has seen Primal Fear.
Berserk.
No, and here's the thing, right? When Bollywood copies Hollywood, one of the things that they like really have to work hard at is to look at this Hollywood film and go, यहाँ गाना कहाँ डाल सकता हूँ मैं?
Correct.
It's difficult,
Except-
dude.
One sec, except if you copy Seven Brides for Seven Brothers, where the songs are already put in for you.
Yeah.
In Satya Pe Satta.
Satya pe Satta.
But in Satya Pe
Satya
Satta
Pe
also they had a
Satta,
second.
I had fun watching that movie. Like
Yeah,
as
yeah, it's a
kid,
great movie.
Yeah, of
It's
course,
not
bro.
shitty.
Because
there's several-
you hadn't then or even now watched Seven Brides for Seven.
Oh no, I had watched Seven Brides for Seven
I
Brothers.
haven't. I will
Yeah.
tell you it's a copy, but I haven't watched Seven Brides for
No,
Seven.
no,
since
which is
then.
what the track of there is a track which is different in a little bit and which is what holds the film through to the end and stuff. But Seven Brides for Seven Brothers is fully Satya Pe Satta in that way.
Yeah, but
Um,
there's like there are movies which have opportunities for music, and we still manage to screw that up. And case in point, and I've said this on a podcast because this movie still angers me to this day. It's a remake. It's called it's a remake of Amadeus. If you don't know, it's Amadeus was a movie was about Mozart and his life. So there's a lot of there's a lot of music in the movie, and they decided to make Mozart, the character of Mozart, be played by Upen Patel. And
What movie is this?
This movie is called Shakalaka Boom Boom, where Upen Patel is a musical prodigy who comes to Bombay, and the music was given by Himesh Reshamya.
Shakalaka boom boom. That movie is a copy of Amadeus.
Where did Kautuk go?
Wait.
Kautuk couldn't stand that fact so much that he decided to
Kautuk just
leave
jumped
the
out of a
podcast.
window.
Huh.
So Kautuk is back after Upen Patel. के बारे में कुछ कहना?
Kautuk just left. Kautuk left the podcast the moment Upen
Yeah,
Patel and
अरे,
Mozart were mentioned in the same sentence.
ये नहीं होगा.
My Airtel fucking left, dude. I think मेरा Airtel और Sai Service ने एक collab किया है.
Guys, I want to tell you that Adar, while we were discussing the podcast, was right about something. And I'm very upset and very sad for two reasons. One being that Adar was right. The other being that JJWS is
Is a copy of Breaking Away.
Breaking
Yes.
Away.
Yeah, 1970s, late 70s की picture थी वो, bro.
So
Fuck, look at
yeah,
Baba's
but
face. He's breaking
I
down.
don't know if it is completely copied. I am pretty certain that.
Acha,
No, so
Baba,
the
now
concept of the
suddenly.
bike race, so the concept
Yeah,
of the bike race
but
was copied, but the fact that it was kids in school, college,
Then it's not a
school,
copy.
sorry.
Fuck off. You can't take means every movie about boxing is fucking copied over from
No,
Ali.
it wasn't
Aisa
that.
thodi.
The whole, the center, the whole race being the center of attention. So that's why JJWS technically is a pretty good inspired adaptation. I never
I
said
don't
it's
even think it's
हाँ,
inspired.
नहीं,
I don't
पर
even think it's
ये
inspired.
yeah,
I
that
don't
but
even
one
think it's
second,
inspired.
we have to talk about this word
Yeah.
that Adar just put out.
Yeah.
Inspired. This used to be a staple that they used to use in Bombay Times back in the day.
yeah,
Where the review
always.
would begin. It is inspired by this movie, and
Yeah.
it was not inspired. It was straight up like robbed.
Hmm.
And like
They
अभी थोड़ा
copied
सुधर रहा है
scene to
public.
scene. Have you
हाँ,
watched
so like
Marlon Brando का picture था याद है On the Waterfront back in the day, black and white movie में.
yeah.
You know उसका हिंदी रीमेक क्या है? गुलाम.
गुलाम. Yes,
But
Oh.
मैंने गुलाम पहले देखा था.
of course.
Of course.
Obviously क्योंकि मैं बाबा जितना बूढ़ा नहीं हूँ.
आदि का खंडाला.
But बाप था. So we'll get to good remakes. But what are the
Yeah.
other shitty remakes you remember? एक मेरे को पिक्चर पे बहुत गुस्सा आया था. Again संजय गुप्ता. ठीक है. I used to not mind his stylistic treatment of movies. What I used to mind is to सीधा लेके छापेश पूरा. तो एक मूवी था याद है ओल्ड बॉय याद है देखो
Yeah,
ओल्ड बॉय
Yes.
वाज रीमेड
Korean.
in Hindi. Okay, by the way, those of you who have not watched it, Old Boy is probably one of the best movies you'll see. The
Best
director of the
movies.
movie had done a trilogy of revenge. So it was a revenge saga across 3 different movies. It's an anthology. One of them is Old Boy. और उसको कॉपी करके संजय गुप्ता ने बनाया है जिंदा.
Zinda.
And if you've seen Zinda, apart from the songs in that movie, everything is fucking chapod.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Everything.
Just the look, the color, like even the
अबे
color
वो शूट
grade.
भी उधर ही किया है. लेकिन
I
South
think they
Indian
use the
movie-
same. They use the same action guys also. Then that means.
But and the thing is, he didn't like the weird thing was that no one used to approach these South Korean filmmakers or American filmmakers and be like, bhai sahab, can we please get rights? Like that was just a
Yeah.
conversation that never happened. Like ab wo thoda change ho raha hai. Like for example, I worked on a remake, right? Sumit Samaleka was a remake, but it was an official remake. So you got the rights from them, and they came down and helped you do it. So, for example, one of the world's best loved series, The Office, the US edition, is actually a remake of the UK one,
The British one.
the British one, and the first season is very similar. After that, they took a complete different turn, right?
Yeah, because
And
the British
it's
ones just
beautiful.
ended after second season. Like they just stopped.
Correct.
Like there's a great there's a bunch of analysis about like how the British characters are always like depressing, and the American version
and
is always
it's all about
optimistic.
hope and happiness.
Yeah.
So, see
Yeah, there was by the way the Indian version when the Office का Indian version बना था, अपना Ricky Gervais actually tweeted the trailer of the Indian version and went kaching and $sign. That's what he tweeted.
No, but like that's the difference when you're doing an official remake. Because as creators, by अपना IP होता है. If something you've spent time, sweat and blood, maybe in some cases, to get your piece of work out, and somebody in some fucking 5,000, 10,000 kilometers away just takes it and rips it off and makes it, of course it's fuck all. But I think it also, I mean, not justifying copying, but when you do an official remake, there are like Office, जैसे तूने example दिया अभी, where when you adapt it to a specific country, the content that might come out is just absolute gold. Like who would have thought that अभी जब भी तू पहले ब्रिटिश ऑफिस देखा ना यूएस के, of course, right? At that point of time, when you saw the characters get adapted to the US, you didn't think it would become that big of a hit.
There's two shows that I want to talk about which have done this, and they've done it officially in India really long ago. One was Mind Your Language ka adaptation called Zaban Sambhal Ke with Pankaj Kapoor, which was great. And the other one was Yes Minister as G Mantri ji. If you remember G Mantri ji, it was outstanding. G Mantri ji, and because it was an official remake and because it was all of that, the story was about the IAS officer and the politician, and that's and to be able to take Indian problems and use the stylistic element that the Brits had used in their story allowed for so much better writing, so much better, so much humor, and you could Indianize it. The minute you made it an official remake, it sort of allowed you to do that.
But just one thing, Baba, about this. Now, there's a very interesting thing about this, which is that the remakes that really work, right? Usually, they tend to have something at the heart of it that exists in the country that you're adapting it in. So, for example, Yes Minister
Mm.
had bureaucracy, which thrives in India. So there's a beautiful connect, right?
Mm.
A thing that's done badly is Friends when they adapted it to India.
Just friends.
Just friends.
Just Friends.
Hello friends.
Right?
Hello friends.
Hello, friends.
At the time they did it, there was no such culture.
Yeah.
If you did it today, there are thousands of web series right now that do something similar, right? Like it's people staying in and bachelor life, hostel life, all of that
Yeah.
stuff.
Everybody hanging out at a bar. Yeah.
That stuff happens today, but at the time it looked so cringy and weird. You're like, who? That's not us.
You
at
just want
all.
to see white people do it. You know what I mean? You're like,
Yeah.
"नहीं,
Yeah.
हम लोग थोड़ी ऐसा करते हैं."
Dude, and that's the thing, right? Like, what was a coffee shop in whenever it was made, right? There was no such, like abhi aaya barista CCD, like
Yeah.
जब वो आया था तभी तू hang out नहीं करता था उधर, like
Correct.
it just felt alien and weird, right? Like, have you guys seen Friends?
I've seen the
Just
I've seen the pilot, no, with Nikhil Chinappa, Cyrus Brocha,
Yeah.
Chinappa
Maria
played the-
Goretti,
Nafisa Joseph.
Nikhil Chinappa
Maria
played
Goretti.
Ross, dude.
He played Ross or Joey?
Yeah.
Ross.
Yeah,
Brocha
yeah.
was our
Chandler.
man Chandler.
Of course, Chandler. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
Brocha was Joey.
No, Brocha was
Yeah,
No
Chandler.
Who
way.
was Joey then? Yudi.
Some other
Yudi.
guy, I forget.
Yudi or
Yudi.
somebody like that. Yeah.
But you know, मेरे को एक और movie का बोलना है. See, like, think about this, right? One of the greatest movies of Indian cinema, Sholay. Everybody knows that it is also a remake copy
For a
whatever
few
you wanna
dollars
call it,
more.
of the Magnificent.
For a few dollars.
No,
Magnificent
Magnificent
Seven.
Few
Seven.
dollars more bhi hai. But the villain is from a few dollars more.
तो अरे मतलब वो
हाँ.
भी
But no, it's that genre of westerns that
Yeah, but the
that
villain's
Clint
look is
Eastwood Western.
exactly. No, but the look of the villain, Gabbar, is
No, but even
exactly the
for
villain from
certain,
the few
could be.
dollars more. Yeah.
But even the story, पहला पिक्चर था सेवन सैमुराई, अकीरा कुरोसावा का.
Of course.
वो
Yeah.
लेके उन लोग ने मैग्निफिसेंट सेवन बनाया हॉलीवुड में. वो लेके सलीम जावेद ने उसको बनाया शोले. And all three of these movies stand in very high regard.
But
in
they're
their own country.
outstanding. Like all three
That's
movies
what I'm
are
saying. So
outstanding.
there is also this in between space pre having a conscience for stealing somebody's IP days where all three movies existed in three different countries and they were
And were
top
beloved.
movies in
Yeah.
in their own.
But
in their
no,
own
you know,
respect.
like in Magnificent Seven, the Jaya, for example, the Jaya Amitabh track, right, which is entirely in A minor, is not there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not there. So
And-
there's
and
they've
even
added-
in Akira Kurosawa's Magnificent
No, but
Seven,
in
nobody
Akira
is doing
Kuros-
Chucky pissing.
but I'm saying in
कोई टंकी पे नहीं चढ़ा
Kurosawa's
अकीरा
version,
कुरोसावा के. हाँ.
in Kurosawa's version, there is a love story. So it's not to me. That's why I'm saying Sholay is not entirely plagiarized. Sholay is the
No, I'm not saying it's
Tarantino.
entirely, but
No.
it's been
So yeah. So but
inspired.
it's the Tarantino version of inspiration. It's
Hmm.
several westerns that have been taken in terms of milieu and in terms of genre, and have taken that milieu and sort of created this universe that sort of exists with of course in our case Chambal, etc. So
Baba, I don't
Had
think
you
you've
guys
had
seen
more
the
fun.
original Django? Had you
I
guys
don't
seen
think
the
I have
original?
more what.
Oh, sorry.
No, I was just saying that Baba has so much fun when he says milieu.
No.
Milieu.
No.
Like that we stop. Yes, ये
Just
train
for this
stop
we
पे
stopped.
रुकी.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Did
yes,
you
I've
guys-
seen the
did you-
original Django. Great.
वो जो इटालियन वर्जन था उसका वो वाला.
नहीं, the original one
Yeah,
which is
Sergio
just
Leone.
dirt.
Sergio
Like
Leone, ना?
see, हाँ.
क्लिंट ईस्टवुड ही है उसमें. पूरा पिक्चर कॉफिन लेके घूम रहा है.
हाँ.
कॉफिन के अंदर गन्स है ब्रो. काफी वाइल्ड फिल्म है वो.
But
Dude,
even
you know,
even
sorry,
even,
completely off topic. But you know, there was once the Western stopped, there was a whole universe of Westerns that came about that none of them worked and they all fucking tanked. But you know, it was a great Western that came out, 310 to Yuma, dude, which was a remake of 310 to Yuma.
310 to
but,
Yuma,
yeah.
but that 310 to Yuma with Russell Crowe was fucking outstanding.
and Christian Bale.
Yeah.
ये भी Clint Eastwood है.
हाँ. No, 310 to Yuma. Original 310 to Yuma is not Clint Eastwood.
नहीं, second वाला is Eastwood, na? He made that and Letters from Iwo Jima back to back, wasn't
No,
it?
no. Letters of
That was
Iwo Jima
Flags.
is with the Flags of Our Fathers.
Okay, sorry, my bad.
310 to Yuma
So-
is sorry, carry on.
Okay, I want to talk about since we already spoke about Tenet for a bit. I want to talk about another great Christopher Nolan adaptation, which was Gajini. And I want to know if that was an official adaptation.
No, it was. They used R. Murugados was the
Arey,
same.
yes, Adar, it was an official remake of the South movie, which was a copy.
A copy
of
from-
Memento.
अच्छा, like that. हाँ, like that. Yes.
It is.
हाँ, वो
आदर तू
छापा
लिख
था.
दे इधर. तू इधर लिख दे. Memento was copied.
Memento.
No,
was
it should have
copied.
been Memento was killed, dude, instead of Kalpana was
Memento.
killed.
नहीं, but उसमें भी if you look at original Memento, उसमें it was a cinematic style, right? It's a narrative style to play it in reverse. अब बॉलीवुड में देखा या साउथ में देखा, बोला ये अच्छा आइडिया है, एक काम करते हैं उसको टकला करके बॉडी पे टैटू कराते हैं. They've forgotten the whole other thing that the movie was about and why the movie works in the way it does. They will take whatever catches your eye first in that great piece of art to then take it and make your own version of it.
No, but you know something, whenever a thing like this becomes successful, like I give it that credit where the person who has copied it has understood something fundamental about our sensibility, right? Where they've been like, listen, if we do it in reverse, आगे पीछे, you know, that the way that Nolan cuts it, ना इधर cut फिर ऐसा elliptical फिर इधर cut, वो यहाँ नहीं होगा, right?
It's
So
not
what
that.
you do
Nah,
is-
you cut two timelines which sort of
It's
circle
the
each
U-pin.
other,
He
and
does
if you
the
cut
U-pin.
and if you cut
uh,
here and you cut here, you're along the same parallel timeline at the same time
Yeah,
across
or
the
as,
two
uh,
timelines.
as someone put it on the TIS subreddit, this is how Bawa cuts the podcast.
Yeah. It's just one scene from here, one scene from here, one scene from here. You just divide up, and it's just, and then they meet over here.
In fact,
So,
talking about Amir Khan remaking, there's a lot of movies that he has done. He's still one of my favorite actors in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
उसके कितने भी JJWS उसने किया है. ये Kramer versus Kramer.
Dude, one sec.
ठीक है.
JJWS,
अकेले
I
हम
just want
अकेले
to
तुम.
say, is not stolen.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Then you
Yes,
had
given.
this Gajni.
But that was Mahesh Bhatt.
अभी इसमें he's making a remake of Forrest Gump.
तुम लोग चूतिया लोग हैं क्या? You've forgotten Thugs of Hindustan, what?
Oh,
yeah.
Jack
Arey, we have to
Sparrow.
talk about
Jack Sparrow.
hugs.
Guys,
Oh.
come on.
अबे उसमें भी
Come on.
मतलब it's not a rip off of Pirates of the Caribbean. It's just
It's
shapes में
inspired.
पे style.
It's inspired.
Inspired. Bro,
Inspired.
No, but Baba's right.
No,
like
there
where-
is a look, there is all of that's sort of taken. Yeah, it's not.
No, it's that, na. It's new Bollywood. So new Bollywood doesn't plagiarize. They look at like, let's do themes, guys. It's like themes, It's like ships, old world, and then Amir Khan goes like, yeah, I also want to play a eccentric fucker. Like I'll wear
नहीं,
a
उसका-
hat and shit.
उसका उसमें भी था ना धूम में very that was the ending of Prestige.
Prestige.
कि उसके twin है दोनों magic करता है. And you're in your head like कि bro तू
देखा है
copy
public में?
करना है. Like at least the Butts were trying to do it from offbeat cinema. कि अरे ये कोरिया में किधर थाई मूवी का कॉपी बना रहे हैं हम लोग. तू
But
बोलन के
you know
पिक्चर को कॉपी करेगा तो how the fuck is it going to work?
But Varun, like conversely, every single like a lot of people in India who saw Dark Knight Rises and that helicopter going into the sunset with a nuclear bomb and Batman coming out alive, that so many people in India have seen that scene and go like, अरे ये तो 10 है.
हाँ,
नोलन ने छापा है 10 को. अरे 10 को छापा है.
And two of those people was Zahid Khan.
Yeah.
ये मैंने किया था ये मैं चुप कर जाहिद वो नोलन है ठीक है वो पहले आया था टाइमलाइन नहीं समझ रहे थे वो
Yeah.
But-
कुछ भी
but
हो,
Dark
Nolan
Knight
पहले
Rises-
आया है. Nolan will figure out how to come first in the timeline.
Dude, that Dark Knight Rises, okay, we have to fucking admit it was heavy Bollywood. Heavy.
Yeah, it was.
Like,
It was.
Yeah,
you
a lot
remember
of
the
stuff.
scene?
The
Dude, there's
worst
a
death scene ever. Sorry.
Nahi, dude, that scene where he's got like Bane has put a bomb or something and he's got like a limited amount of time and he's put a bat signal on the fucking building. Like
हाँ,
how much time did you have to
suspension of
waste?
disbelief तो
हाँ
ना वो it's
कितना
a
टाइम लगा तेरे
genre in
को
Bollywood.
कि जाके तू वहां पे पेंट अपना पेट्रोल फेंक रहा है एंड कि बैठ के और गलती से अगर पेट्रोल गिर गया तो बैठ के टांग वांग निकल आएगी you
Yeah.
have to be so
No,
careful in putting the gasoline.
dude, when they eventually steal Dark Knight Rises in India, na, वो same scene रहेगा except it'll be Happy Diwali.
Yeah. You know what
With
would have
bloody
been great
lights.
अगर उसने उसे जलाया होता और वो ऐसे जल के जाता और बैठ की जगह वहां पे आता contact 98674
Can I
Bean
can I
bags.
talk about
For this
can I
space.
talk about can I talk about 3 films in reverse? Okay.
Hmm.
One is Shaurya, which was taken
Hmm.
from Aaron Sorkin's A Few Good Men.
Few Good Men, yeah.
Okay. But and while it pissed me off and all, it's fine.
No,
But I want
and
to
it was
talk about
highly
two-
appreciated when it came out.
Yeah,
very
And
very
Oh, it was
that's the
great.
sad part. People are, oh, it's a damn good movie. I'm like, yeah, because it's fucking copied.
Okay. And I want to talk about 2 more movies. One is
Hmm.
Josh, West Side
West
Story
Side
se
Story.
copying. Yes.
Hmm.
But the third film, which Varun, you're not allowed to answer. But Adar and Kautuk, Phir Milenge is copied
Bro,
from.
I know this.
That's
Oh,
why I
yeah,
said,
yeah, I
Varun,
know
you're
this.
not
I
allowed
know
to
this.
answer.
I know this.
Oh,
Okay,
you know
we'll
this,
give you a
what?
hint.
Only Adar is left.
The English
Yeah,
English
I-
movie has Denzel
Okay.
Washington.
No, no.
Played
No,
the
by
one with the time
it has-
travel.
It
It has Denzel
It has
Washington.
Denzel
Deja vu.
Washington.
No,
And
Jyoti.
Tom, no.
Ek
It has
minute,
Tom
yeah, it
also.
has
Tom
Tom
Hanks.
Hanks and Denzel Washington. Where
Denzel
Tom Hanks is
Washington.
played by Shilpa Shetty and
Yeah.
Denzel Washington is played by Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
It's called Philadelphia.
And where he gets AIDS.
Yeah,
And
he's a
then
lawyer.
She gets AIDS in Phir
Arey,
Milenge.
Yeah, I'm talking about Philadelphia where they're fighting the court case, right? Because he gets
Yeah.
fired after
Correct.
getting AIDS. वो
Wait,
पिक्चर
so-
का ना एक बहुत फेमस हो गया था टिंग 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 टिंग
Yeah, ये
उसका
सबका
एक
at some
गिटार
point कॉलेज में सबके पास
सब
ये
गिटार पे
ये
बजा रहे थे।
रिंगटोन था नहीं ये रिंगटोन था सबके फोन पे जब पॉलीफोनिक रिंगटोन चालू हुआ था ना it used to sound good.
Dude,
Wait,
I
dude,
just
what was
Josh
it?
and Phir Milenge, these movies were just like
अब मैं
wow.
ओके फुल डिस्क्लोजर मैंने जोश पहले देखा वेस्ट साइड स्टोरी के ठीक है और
Yeah,
जोश
yeah,
मेरे को इतना बाप लगा क्योंकि
Sailaro.
उसमें उधर आके वहीं पर जीने का वहीं पर मरने का वहीं का घर बंगला खाली करने का वरना कान
Yeah.
तोड़ के तेरा हाथ में दे देगा समझा
But come on, Sailare.
साइलरो
Yeah, Sailor क्या बोला फिर
अरे
बोल
भाई
रहे।
वो मूवी में भी था चंद्रचूड़ सिंह
Chandrachur Singh made
Yeah,
out
yeah.
with the anger that all of us had as college students. Chandrachur Singh made out with Aishwarya Rai. That was
the
the
anger that Aishwarya Rai has because she had to make out with Chandrachud Singh.
Guys, can we also
At the
talk
time-
about
You think at one point of she's like, can't I kiss Shahrukh? You can, Ash, but he's your brother, and this is not that.
can we also please talk about Avara Pagal Divana?
Lock, stock, and two smoking barrels.
No,
yeah,
the whole
no,
9
no,
yards.
that's Phir Hera Pheri. That's Phir Hera
Whole-
Pheri.
हाँ,
whole
फिर
9
हेरा
yards.
फेरी.
Whole 9 yards. And can we also please, for the love of everything that is holy, also talk about this great movie, which has Salman Khan and Salman Khan in it.
Judwa.
हाँ, जुड़वा क्या है?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a movie
yeah,
called
yeah.
Twin Dragons, dude. It's very funny.
No,
And of
Twin
course, my
Dragons is
favorite
actually
Shah
very
Rukh.
good. And Jackie Chan, epic
Yeah.
action in that movie.
Of
by the
course,
way.
dude. But उसको थोड़ी है कि उसको चाटा मारता है तो मूतते मूतते इसको भी चाटा लगता है वो सब नहीं
नहीं, but who's
नहीं था
whose
Twin
fucking
Dragons
idea?
literally worked on that concept. Twin Dragons was that.
I know,
Huh.
but it was not a slapstick joke where he was pissing and he got slapped. Nah.
I mean,
No,
Jackie
No,
Chan
but
is
one
fast
second, whose
slapstick.
idea, dude? Whose idea
Dun,
was
dun,
it
dun,
that
dun,
in
dun, dun,
Judwa,
dun.
we should have, yeah, like as soon as he sees like a woman's ass, his hand starts vibrating and he needs to spank it.
This is
Whose
what
fucking idea was this?
this is.
Oh
This,
my
That
God,
idea
now
was-
that I think about
no,
it, fuck,
that
in
idea has
2020.
come from. That idea has come from misogyny and the 90s. So you
No, but
can't.
that's
Wow.
the thing. If you watch, right, kitna rampant tha copying where we were not just copying the stories and the
Yeah.
scenes, we were copying artwork. Even right now, you'll see there's
Yeah,
artwork
posters.
that-
Yeah, posters.
straight up. And
Yeah.
for the reason, Butts would get away with a lot of it because ye apne ek running joke in where Murder 1 is a remake of Unfaithful, but Murder
Which is
2 is a remake
a
of
remake of
Chaser, which are
Murder.
two separate movies not connected to each other, right?
Hum
And
Hai
that
Rai
they've
Pyar
done a
Ki
full fucking
apparently.
series. Huh?
हमें
हम है
रह
राय
गया
प्यार के Yeah, Hame Hai Pyar Ke is a remake of the Hollywood blockbuster Houseboat and directed by Mahesh Bhatt. So, does that
No,
sound
so there's
unlikely?
several, but please, can we take a moment and talk about the poignant piece of cinema that is Mohabbat with as Dead Poet Society, where
हम
at
अकेले
some point Robin
हो
Williams
न
has
जाए.
decided to play the violin and tell all the women in the movie that it's okay if the girls are not interested in you. Attack them and get them. That is his entire advice.
No,
Talk
but
about flogging a dead poet.
अभी
no, but one
but
second.
हाँ.
Dude, in that movie, like the weirdest thing was to make Uday Chopra pass off as a school child.
Yeah. इसलिए college.
This Jack steroid, steroid.
It's not even
It's a
that.
movie.
Jack
It's a
student.
movie that is shot entirely in the north of England or Scotland or somewhere, where Shah Rukh decides to wear the sweater only on his shoulder.
Shoulder.
क्योंकि ये ठंड है, तेरे मुंह से
क्या भी
धुआं
ठंड लग
निकल रहा है, तो पहनना स्वेटर, वो गले पे बांध के बैठा है.
And it's also cold, and you can tell this because his clothes are all A-lined and fitting him really well because अंदर thermal पहना है उसने.
और
Hmm.
उसका भी क्या शॉकिंग,
I'm assuming.
उसका भी काफी शॉकिंग फाइट क्लब ट्विस्ट की ऐश्वर्या मरी हुई.
हाँ. But dude, you know this whole formula at that point of like hiding the surprise act, like from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai with Salman Khan, Aishwarya and thing, because in the promos of Mohabbat Hai, Aishwarya was never shown. You
Yeah.
only found out when you went to the theater. Or Kajol is the murderer in Gupt. But
Yeah.
By the way, गुप्त कैसे नहीं बोल सकते? Because even the director of Gupt, which is Rajiv Rai, so
Has
again
said.
notorious for छापेश, जिसमें उसने शॉशैंक का, उसने शॉशैंक देखी, ठीक है, उसने पूरी पिक्चर देखी, 2.5 घंटे की पिक्चर है, ऑस्कर विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दिया है सब एक्टर ने, इंक्लूडिंग डायरेक्टर आल्सो, फ्रैंक डराबॉट, मस्त
debut,
आर्ट, ठीक है, डेब्यू एग्जैक्टली, टिम
Darabont
रॉबिन्स कर
debut.
रहा है, उसने पूरा पिक्चर देखा और सिर्फ उसने बोला कि ये पार्ट है ना जिसमें मैं वो एस्केप होता है, मैं वो ले
Toilet पे
लूंगा
लगाऊंगा.
और मैं बॉबी से कराऊंगा वो, ठीक है. Like he also made bro Mission Impossible का remake called guess what? असंभव. उसने literal
Amir has done
translation.
another, by the way, Amir has done another Die Hard remake with Ashutosh Gowarkar
Ashutosh
before
Gowarkar.
Lagan. This
Yeah.
incredible duo had done a movie called Bazi,
Bazi.
which
Bazi.
was the worst
Dude,
Die Hard
no.
remake.
Amir's
मेरे को तो
worst
बाप लगी
movie.
थी. मेरे को तो
Amir's
बाप
worst
लगी.
movie is not even Mela. His worst movie is Atank Hi Atank, dude. That is by far his worst movie that you will. It's also a copy, by the way. Atank Hi Atank is a copy.
Oh, shocking. A
but
movie
it-
from the
of what?
90s called Atank.
Atank.
It's definite breadcrumbs lead to some original Hollywood movie for fucking sure.
Dude,
And I
I'll
also
be a
know when the
rom-com in
movie came
Hollywood,
out
by
ना,
the way.
मेरे
it is
family को
highly
देख के बोलता
inspired
है,
by Godfather. That's the problem with
Atank Hi
Atank Hi
Atank.
Atank.
Shut the
It is.
fuck up.
It is,
Arey
but
bro,
it is not. That's what I'm saying. It is because it is one of those like mob films, etc. Like, but it's so badly. But it's not Sarkar. Like Sarkar, Dayavan, Nayagan are great copies or great inspirations or great homages to, or as Kautuk wants me to say, the great milieu of the Godfather universe, right? It's like Nayagan is outstanding and Dayavan is outstanding as as cinema. So
Dude, I feel like, and this is something that you notice if especially if you're a horror fan, right? Like
Hmm.
every horror movie in India, there has to be at least one reference to Exorcist, like in some shape or form, right? There's always one homage, and one is Exorcist and one is Shining. 110%. All these horror directors in India are like, I really want to make one Exorcist type, one Shining type, and then they'll put one scene in it that is exactly like that. Axe होएगा या तो ऐसा वो blood का scene होएगा, like some shit like that will be there, and it's so disappointing. It's like, come on man, like let's be original, let's do something
Yeah.
completely different.
I'm really missing out on the horror genre. I'm starting to realize. 'Cause
But
there's
you know,
an
like,
entire genre.
South Korean, I've been watching a lot of South Korean movies on Netflix, which is actually like some of the best horror and psychological thrillers I've seen in a
100%.
long time.
100%. Bro, there was this अभी टाइगर श्रॉफ का पिक्चर आया, ठीक है, अगेन टू
Wow, great
ये
segue.
जो बागी है ना, बागी, अभी
बागी।
3 बागी आए, मालूम है 3, वन में तीनों
3 कब
बागी
आया?
तीन बागी आए
Rambo.
bro.
It's Rambo, no?
Rambo is
Yeah,
one of
it's
it.
Rambo.
You
but,
remember there was a Thai movie, action movie called Raid.
Yeah.
Yes,
Fucking
that's
insane
two.
movie.
Bagi
Okay.
2 is that, no?
हाँ, तो उसपे you have a full building full of gangsters and his girlfriend is on the top floor with that guy. He has to go through the 100 floors kicking everybody's ass. Now, if you watch the Thai version, your mind will be blown, bro. You've
Of
not
course.
seen action like this. And when I say action, it's fucking hand-to-hand combat. Huh? ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ अलग level पे. And I thought that was one of the most innovative action movies, especially in terms of the action sequences. लेके छाप दिया, bro. And I don't know कि इन लोग ने पैसे
No,
दिए
no,
कि नहीं.
apparently they take the same guys, they took the same action guys. I saw some behind the scenes. So this was Raid or Raid Redemption? I'm getting confused.
No,
No,
दोनों
that's
में
Red
betting
Dead
था.
Redemption. No,
Red
that's
Dead
Red Dead
Redemption.
the
Redemption,
first
which
movie
is
is
a
called Raid. The
video
next
game.
one is called Raid Redemption.
No.
But can you imagine being the
second is
building
also-
secretary of that raid ka building? Where you
Sir,
have to call a
terrace जा रहे हैं.
meeting and you have to be like, guys, what the fuck is going on यार? तुम लोग please अपना dead bodies तो निकालो यार, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
सर यहाँ पे सीढ़ियों पे आपने डेड बॉडी छोड़ा है और कचरा भी नहीं लेके गया है कोई
No, and it's
सेपरेट नहीं
great.
किया प्लास्टिक को ड्राई से
It's great how all the gangsters and all the gundas got accommodation. इधर अच्छे घर के लोगों को भैंचोद रहने नहीं देते अकेले बॉम्बे में. उधर सबको सब गैंगस्टर लोग को एक रूम दिया.
Okay, we should also talk about some, like, okay, one thing I think that we're missing out on is some of the good movies also which have been sort of like made. Like, for example, Bunty or Bubbly from Bonnie and Clyde.
Wow,
All right.
Bonnie and
Did you
Clyde.
say
Huh?
Bunty and Bubbly is the good movie or it's Bonnie and
Bonnie and Clyde. Which one is the nice one?
Yeah, I like
what's
Bunty or
Bunty?
Bubbly, dude.
Which
I
one
like
had
Bunty or
Kajrare?
Bubbly, dude.
Which one had Kajrare?
Bunty or Bubbly, Bunty or Bubbly.
Bunt-
Then that's the nicer.
Oh,
Oh, you mean between
Kajrari
Bonnie and Clyde
was
and
with
Bunty?
Bonnie and Clyde. Do you not remember the last scene where Amit ji and Bonnie and
Where
Clyde-
Amit ji and
Kajrari-
Faye Dunaway are singing Kajrare Kajrare. No, one sec. So there's that. And what do you think about so there's this, then there's the whole like the Godfather universe, right?
No.
Which is
God, अभी राम गोपाल वर्मा ने जितने भी छापे ना हॉलीवुड से, I've liked all of them. ठीक है, you had Sarkar. It was great because you had a good Indian adaptation to it, right? You had the Bombay ka setting, you had Bal Thackeray as one of the inspirations for it, and
Right.
you take the because when you have movies like Godfather or like series like Breaking Bad, for example, somewhere I think that subconsciously you don't want to do it intentionally, but just doing scenes or creating situations that you've seen in those movies or shows automatically comes into you. I don't know why.
I'm
Like, you
calling
see so
it.
many-
Somebody is trying to right now create a proper, legit adaptation of Breaking Bad, like steal an adaptation of steal Breaking Bad's idea and make a series. I guarantee someone's trying to do it right now.
oh your this wasn't a fact. This was an assumption.
I'm calling it. Yeah, I would like
Okay.
at some point, whenever it comes out,
Oh,
we're going
really?
to cut this footage.
So,
Other,
I'm
is
saying-
it-
Other
are you
calls it-
calling the fact that somebody is going to remake the greatest TV show ever? You
no,
Yeah.
it's not the
called it,
greatest TV show.
and butcher it and butcher.
Bro,
Where-
I'm sorry.
where
I'm
Cyrus
sorry.
Brocha will play
Breaking Bad
Heisenberg.
doesn't match up to the West Wing, Baba. But
It's not the greatest TV show ever.
Yeah.
It's really not.
one of the. अच्छा बाबा अभी तू क्या बोल वेस्ट विंग के बारे में कुछ बताओ.
No. So no, I'm saying, so there is one school which is the whole like Godfather and sort of like, almost like loosely based or almost inspired by, because the genre is so kick-ass. Like Agnipath and Scarface, right? Like Agnipath, the Amitabh Bachchan Agnipath is a great film. Agnipath with Amitabh Bachchan is great, right? So I'm saying there's that universe, and then there's the whole like Patch Adams with Munna Bhai MBBS. That universe, which Munna Bhai was a great film. Like I think
Guys,
all of us.
Chachi 420.
Chachi
One of the
420
best.
with
My
Mrs.
best
Doubtfire.
favorite.
The best till date.
With Mrs. Doubtfire, right?
Yeah.
So there's
was
that.
great.
Yeah. I'm
Oh,
saying that
superb.
there is
देखो
an
वहाँ में
entire
रंगीला is a remake of A Date with Todd Hamilton. one of
Todd
those.
Hamilton.
No, I think it's the opposite.
No, it's the other way around.
No,
It's the
bro.
other way. Yes,
Yeah,
it is the other way
yeah.
around.
Oh,
So
wow.
there are about 5 or 10 films, by the way, which Hollywood has sort of been inspired by, right? So for example, if you look at
But they buy the rights.
they
Yeah.
no, not all. In
No,
some
they
cases.
did. They did with A Wednesday.
So they did with Wednesday. They did with Delivery Man, which is Vicky Donor, where Vince Vaughn plays that. Date with Tad Hamilton. They bought the rights from Rangila
Dinner
for
date.
sure. By the way, Dar was taken and made into Fear. By the way, and like they took it in, I think whatever, I think like 3-4 years later they paid. Apparently, and I don't know about this, and Varun, please, I'm really sorry. Abhay in 2001
Yeah, hold on.
was taken.
What? Has
Kill
been
Bill.
remade?
Kill Bill.
No. What? Who's compiling this list? That Tarantino ने अभय देख के Kill Bill बनाया.
I'm just saying, guys. Just saying that
That's
there are people who are
fucking
saying
impossible.
this. No, but
I
I don't
don't-
think that is case.
No
But
chance.
for example, there are a few like Jab We Met and Leap Year. People talk about
Jab we
that
met and
tape.
leap year.
Yeah. Not Jab
Oh,
We Met
shit.
in a leap year, but Jab We Met leap year.
That would be a great movie. I would watch that. जब भी met in a
Jab we met in leap year.
Yeah.
Arey yaar,
Agreed.
you know something? Personal story. Just because you mentioned leap year. So the year I proposed to, not proposed, but like the year I asked Siddhi to date me, right? That was a leap year. Okay. And for some reason I asked her out on Feb 27th. I should have asked her out on Feb 29th because I wouldn't
What?
have to celebrate an anniversary.
No,
for 4
that's not how it
years.
works. She
देखो-
would. That's not how it works.
देखो मालूम है ना ये वो पॉडकास्ट
वो first March होने
नहीं है
वाला
कि ये पांच तूने बोल दिया और सिद्धि को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सडनली
But it's in like the 50th minute. I'm sure she's not going to like watch it.
No,
so,
but that's
like,
not even the point. The point is, guys, please understand. They would say that March 1st is anniversary. I don't think that the
Yeah, man.
conversation would
Yeah.
stop at, hey, no, only 4 years will celebrate. What the fuck? No chance.
In fact,
All right.
another personal story. I asked Nikita to get married to me. Like we got engaged on 9th of December, right? When I proposed to her. 9th December was 4 years of us being together.
Yeah.
तो मैं अपने दोस्तों को बोल रहा हूँ, दोस्त बोल रहा अरे बाप अभी तेरे को एक ही दिन याद रखना पड़ेगा.
घंटा.
Guys, sorry. There's an entire list of names.
अभी
that I
time
don't
याद
want
रखना
to-
पड़ेगा तेरे को दोनों का.
Sorry, there's an entire list of names that I don't want to think, but like Love Actually and Salame Ishq and.
अबे मैं तेरे को पर्सनल स्टोरी बोलता हूँ
Yeah,
सलामे
yeah,
इश्क
yeah.
ठीक है डेजा वू करके मूवी आया था याद है डेंजल वॉशिंगटन
Yeah, yeah,
बैठ के
yeah.
पिक्चर देख रहे थे ठीक है
Yeah.
पता नहीं मेरे को खुजली आई कुछ मैंने अपने दोस्त को बोला कि ब्रो मूवी खत्म होने के 5 मिनट पहले मेरे साथ चल बोल रहा है कहा मतलब चुपचाप चल डेजा वू चल रहा है हम लोग एंड के पहले निकल गए pretending like we've gone to the loo this is before those guys came and stood at the door हम लोग निकल गए बोल के लू जा रहे फिर लू में
और फिर
बैठे
तू
रहे
दूसरे
15
मूवी में
मिनट,
चला गया.
और फिर दूसरा मूवी देखने गया and we didn't know what was playing where we just walked in 15 minutes late for a show and that was Salame Ishq
Yeah.
बैठ के
15 मिनट देखा मैंने और फिर मैं निकल गया I said
This is evidence where चोरी नहीं करनी चाहिए.
yeah.
नहीं क्योंकि हाँ
One of those.
बुरे काम करने का बुरी सजा होती है तो मुझे 15
Correct.
मिनट देखना पड़ा Salame Ishq और मैं बाउंस हो
You
गया
know something?
Yeah.
If you are just
और फिर
walked
मैंने
into the
क्रिसमस में
toilet,
लव एक्चुअली देखा
Can I set up something which you all are all going to make fun of about Salame Ishq? So in Salame Ishq, in the lead song, no, in the title song of Salame Ishq, Ishq is in that song.
Well, you can never understand what Adnan Saab is saying.
So in
क्या
that,
कर रहे हैं? That's what.
so in that song, no, they obviously cut to different to like different couples, right? Like Akshay Khanna and
Yeah,
dude,
yeah.
there is literally only one step that Govinda does in the song, and he does it once in the song before he goes into his choreography of everything else. Dude, I have spent almost one whole Sangeet practice for like literally that whole period of Sangeet practice trying to get that one step right, and because
देखा
it's
अभी।
Bawa,
Govinda.
you
देखा।
have footage of this, right? Somewhere.
No, I have footage of another song which was Jimmy Ki Kamal, but otherwise no.
You have footage of you dancing?
Of course.
Oh my god.
Of course. अभी सब लोग
I
start
saw-
हो जाएगा.
I saw
Malabar
many
Cadillac
kids
छोड़
with
ये
hard
दिखा
work.
बेंचो तो it's going to start with that. No, there is
Hey,
footage of
Malabar
me dancing.
Cadillac was a remake of which film?
It
That didn't
wasn't.
make money.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
And someone looked at Ed Norton and was like, you know, who will do well in this? Neville
Yeah.
Shah.
तो पता है एक और ऐसा मूवी है जिसके बहुत सारे रीमेक बने अलग अलग वे में एक मूवी था इनडिसेंट प्रपोजल याद है कि नहीं
Correct.
Indecent Proposal.
Correct.
Demi Moore, Michael Douglas वो वाला
Dude,
scene.
तेरे को मालूम है ये डमशराड्स
Michael
में
Douglas,
कॉलेज
sorry.
में ये
हाँ.
कॉलेज में डमशराड्स में कैसा करने का था, 1 सेकंड में मिल गया था. एक आईआईटी का टीम था जो आया था डमशराड्स में. सो द गाय वेंट डाउन ऑन वन नी एंड ही डिड दिस एंड द गाय वेंट इनडिसेंट प्रपोजल. मेरा फट गया ब्रो. उसने 1.5 सेकंड में क्रैक किया इनडिसेंट प्रपोजल.
Bro, उस दिन मेरे साथ
planned it,
पता है
no?
क्या हुआ? हम लोग शरेज खेल रहे थे और गर्ल वाज एक्टिंग, निकिता सिस्टर वाज एक्टिंग एंड शी सेड 5 words हिंदी. एंड लिटरली मैंने बोला मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ एंड इट वाज दैट.
Wow.
कुछ नहीं.
Wow.
She did 5 हिंदी. ऐसे मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, हो गया. And then it was the fastest thing ever because after playing for so many years, शरेज,
yeah.
तू तेरे को मालूम पड़ जाता मैं मटके में बोला ब्रो और वो राइट निकला. बट ये इंडिसेंट प्रपोजल का एक मूवी बना था कारोबार करके, which राकेश रोशन had made with अनिल कपूर in it. अनिल कपूर, जूही चावला एंड ऋषि कपूर. और उसका ही कॉपी करके एक और बना था जुदाई. याद है जुदाई?
Oh yeah.
Oh, Judai was fun, dude. I like
Again, one
Judai.
second.
Who was in Judai?
Again,
Anil
Anil
Kapoor.
Kapoor, Sridevi, and Urmila Matondkar.
Urmila Matondkar.
So Anil Kapoor has been the common factor in 2 separate remakes of Indecent Proposal.
But dude, one sec. By that logic, Sleeping with the Enemy का भी 2 version था.
हाँ.
One was with that Arbaz, Juhi and
Darar.
Darar, and then there was the Madhuri Dixit, Raj Babbar, and that one, which was
Actually एक गेम खेलते हैं. चल, apart from the movies we discuss right now, बाबा अगर तेरे पास कुछ लिस्ट है, तू हम लोग को इंग्लिश टाइटल बोल and we'll try to guess the
100%.
remake of it.
Hindi
very,
remake.
very,
तो एक
very,
game
very,
खेलते हैं.
very, very happy. I want to start off with, it's a mad world.
Oh yeah,
Dhamal.
this was
Dhamal.
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 Correct. Okay,
Correct.
very well done. Okay, guys, Child's Play, which was in 1988.
Oh,
इसके दो बने थे. एक था
मराठी
पापी
के हिंदी.
गुड़िया, एक था पापी
हाँ.
झपाट
गुड़िया
लेला.
और मराठी में था झपाट लेला.
झपाट लेला.
कभी नहीं
Nice,
मिला.
guys. Nice. All right, this is a movie that
And
Varun cannot
surprisingly,
answer.
पापी गुड़िया में मेरे को तो पहले लग रहा था कि हरीश पापी गुड़िया है.
Okay, guys, I am very. If this is also true, I'm going to be very, very upset. But I just want to think. It's a movie called Streets of Fire.
Agnipath.
That's literal translation.
Well done, Kautuk. Just points for that. Just points for this. क्या है Streets on Fire क्या है?
Streets of Fire.
कुछ हिंट
Streets
देना
of
बाबा.
Fire.
एक्टर
It-
बोल.
There is a very famous song in the street in this movie in the night with a certain
Sadak.
husband of a wife in a Netflix show.
What the fuck kind
बाबा,
of
you know what a
clue is that?
hint means?
That is a
hint
great
means to make
hint
it
because it
easier.
is Chunky Pandey with So Gaya Ye Jahan. So the answer is Tezab.
तेजाब.
Teza.
Oh.
उसमें भी स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ फायर में से फायर ले लिया है उन लोगों ने.
Just acha, this one is this movie is the English movie is called The Rock. Sean
कयामत.
Connery.
कयामत. उसमें उन लोग भी ऐसे जो ग्रीन कलर का एक बॉम्ब होता है, they have to get him out of
Yeah.
the jail. ना?
There's
Like,
a
Exactly.
Shah Rukh Khan-
There's a shot in that movie where Riya Sen, right?
Raima Sen, I
is there.
think.
नहीं रिया.
Riya Sen also.
Riya Sen is there.
She's smiling. There's an explosion at the back और वो भाग रही है Zayed Khan के साथ and she's smiling by the explosion. And I think that was the only take they had.
जाहिद खान
and
नहीं
they
है,
put it-
कयामत में चूती है.
कौन है?
अजय देवगन है, सुनील शेट्टी
संजय
है
दत्त.
और
संजय दत्त ना?
आशीष चौधरी है, जिसको जो तुझे लग रहा है.
आशीष चौधरी.
Okay, I'm going to tell you a synopsis. Dash or as we why am I
How
giving
is
you the
that a
name?
synopsis?
Sorry.
Baba,
Blue
how do you give
Streak.
clues?
Shut up. Blue Streak
चोर
is
मचा
an
शोर.
American.
Martin Lawrence.
शोर.
Nice.
ये गेम मैं अकेले खेल रहा हूँ. चल, ready.
Nice.
Fuck me. Huh.
Nice.
I don't know if I
Okay.
should be happy or
Guys,
sad.
This
That you
one,
know
this
this.
one you
I
should
just-
only get from translation. Okay, liar.
क्योंकि मैं
मैं
झूठ
झूठ
मैं
बोलेगा
झूठ नहीं
मगर.
बोलता
क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
हाँ.
Wow.
और पूछ.
3 men and a baby, guys. Come on.
Hey baby.
Ah,
Well
hey,
done.
Okay.
Well done.
Changing
Well done.
changing lanes.
Changing lanes.
Samuel L.
Can you-
Jackson
Can
and
you
Ben
tell us
Affleck.
Can you tell us the plot line? Like the
Um,
synopsis.
Guy crashes into somebody, and then after that, like he crashes.
Is this
He's
a
a very.
Abbas Mastan film?
Wait,
No.
let me check whether who directed the Hindi movie. The Hindi movie is directed by
Abbas Mastan.
Milan Luthria.
Milan
Kacche-
Luthria.
Kacche
Taxi
Dhage.
number 911. Chal, that's my
Which
Yes.
one is it? Which
Yeah.
one is it?
taxi number
Taxi number
911.
911.
Wow. Okay, guys,
George-
come on. If someone gets this, I will be very, very impressed. My sassy girl. I'm going to read out the synopsis.
अरे my
of-
sass. एक मिनट रुक.
Yeah, I'll give you a synopsis also. Yeah, Varun, don't feel shy. It's a Korean film.
I know it's a Korean film. मैं इसकी हिंदी
Okay.
मूवी सोच रहा हूँ.
The film is based on a true story told in a series of blog posts written by the protagonist who later who adapted them into a novel. It is one of the highest grossing comedy films of all time. There is many parts to it. She is
Bridget
the
Jones'
film tells the
Diary.
story. The film tells the story of a male engineering college student.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
now that's it. That's all I'm going to
हो गया.
Idiots.
Now you
ugly or pugly,
She.
guys.
ये नहीं होता था dude.
Okay.
कभी नहीं
अगर ये
Bucket
I would have
list.
judged myself अगर
Impossible.
मुझे ये याद
Bucket list.
अबे ये अभी दोनों ने 100
Das Vidania.
Das
100
Vidania.
Das Vidania.
Das Vidania.
That
But very little from it. Just the
No, but
idea
it-
of
okay,
a
guys.
bucket list.
1999's classic romantic comedy called Notting Hill is made into.
Dabang.
Come on.
I'm just
romantic.
a boy.
I said
asking a
romantic
girl.
comedy. I didn't mean
Sorry,
political
I'm just a
satire.
girl asking a boy to slap her.
Okay, I'm going to give you the hero and the heroine, which is really not good. No, it might actually help. Akshay Kumar, Katrina Kaif, Anil Kapoor, Bipasha Basu.
Oh, I know this. One of the Namaste London rando
No,
stories.
no, no,
Wait. Something
No,
like that.
No, it is not Namaste anything. Notting Hill में Julia Roberts,
हाँ मालूम है
Played by
लेकिन
Akshay
Hugh
Kumar.
Grant, no,
अरे
no,
लंदन
Hugh
अरे वो
Grant
कौन
के
सी स्पीच
ऊपर-
है? Which movie in which Akshay Kumar gives that speech on the rooftop about Indians?
One sec,
to
guys.
those
That's
Britishers.
Namaste London.
that's Namaste London.
There is a
Oh,
feeling
shit.
that
That's not this.
there's a feeling that a lot of women who watch Notting Hill feel about Hugh Grant, and they almost say, "हमको दीवाना कर गए guys."
Oh, shut the fuck up. No.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
wait. Baba. Chal, let's play
हाँ.
another game, which is
No, 1 sec. Nick of Time, Mask, Rush Hour, and Mr. Nice Guy were combined to form one movie.
Look,
With
I'll
Shah
tell you
Rukh
that
Khan.
also.
No.
Badshah.
मैं तो
Badshah,
हूँ
well
पागल।
done.
हाँ, बादशाह। मेरे को गाना
Okay,
ही आता है. I couldn't remember the movie's name.
let's play this game. Which Hollywood film that you've seen recently, or any film that you like, would you like remade in India? With whom and how?
Bro, ये मैं
Wow.
गेम इतने सालों से खेलते मुझे बहुत मजा आता है और मेरे को एक मूवी
बोल,
बहुत
बोल।
बैडली बनानी है. मेरे को डिपार्टेड बनानी है हिंदी में.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
With whom?
Because Departed was anyway a copy of Infernal Affairs, not copy adaptation or whatever.
Internal Affairs.
Internal
Infernal.
Affairs. Infernal था मैं बोल रहा हूँ चूंकि तू internal बोल रहा है. It's a play on Internal Affairs called Infernal Affairs. They made that into Departed. Scorsese. अब
That's also a
उसको-
Korean film, no?
हाँ,
Korean.
अब मेरे को
हाँ,
उसको बॉलीवुड में बहुत बैडली बनाना है.
Who,
हाँ,
who
but
are
who
the
would you
ma-
cast?
who are
मुझे
the
John
लगता है-
Abraham, Akshay Kumar.
Ball. I would cast as DiCaprio and this and Matt Damon. I would want to
Ranveer,
cast
Ranveer.
Ranveer and Ranveer. 100%.
Ah.
ये typical ऐसे ना मुझे दिख रहा है
And
धर्मा
Jackie
के
Dada.
ऑफिस में बैठे
And Jackie Dada is who?
धर्मा के ऑफिस में बैठे बोलते
Jack
हैं कि-
Nicholson is
Jackie Dada is Mark Wahlberg has to be Jaggu Dada. Just the swearing, just
who? No,
to
I'm
see
saying
No,
who is,
Jaggu
by the
Dada.
way,
Jack
I
Nicholson
want-
in the film.
I wanted to be Irfan
Amit ji.
back when he was alive.
Okay.
मेरे को इरफान चाहिए था.
But Amit ji is
Amitabh
going to
Bachchan.
be by default any elder character in a Hollywood movie is Amit ji.
Yeah.
Like,
Or
like Dead
Dharmender.
Poets
I would like to
Society.
see that. Dude, no, I would like to see Dharmender do that
Who
character.
would you cast
Like
as Mark Wahlberg in it?
Jaggu.
तू हर
No,
चीज
no.
में जग्गू को डाल रहे
No, wait, I just said Mark Wahlberg has to be Jaggu Dada. Just going
No.
Maushiji Kant throughout the movie.
No, yeah. If you had to make
Jaggu would
Departed
be
in
like an
Hindi,
Alec Baldwin type. He wouldn't be a Mark Wahlberg.
Hmm.
Shahid Kapoor from Kabir Singh.
Gee,
No,
No.
no chance.
Nawazuddin
Yeah.
Siddiqui.
Like you
Oh, yeah.
need some nice vice cracking guy. You know
Oh,
what I
Pankaj
mean?
Tripathi, dude.
Pankaj
Oh yeah, Pankaj.
Pankaj
No,
Tripathi would be
no.
great in that role.
How has that
No,
happened
no.
suddenly?
Pankaj
You know
Tripathi
who?
would be good Alec
Everything.
Baldwin.
Hmm.
Pankaj Tripathi would be great Alec Baldwin. Or
Pankaj Tripathi would make a great Alec Baldwin, and for this you need like an older.
And
uh,
for Martin Sheen, I would put Rishi Kapoor. I
hmm,
mean, not anymore.
would have
But
put.
earlier.
Would have
yeah.
put.
Wow, this has just been a shitty year.
Okay, so this is Departed. Now, what other movie would be? What other movie is there?
You know,
Is there a?
I think one great movie that you could fully adapt and it'll be such a beautiful adaptation
Lord of the
would
Rings.
be Terminal with Tom Hanks.
With Tom
Like,
Hanks and
yeah, because
And
there's so
I
much
would assume.
that Indian, Indian Terminal would be so like there'd be so many Indian
Yeah.
moments in it.
correct.
Just
Ah.
the types of people you would
Katrina
meet,
Kaif
the
is
kind of
Catherine
shops that are
Zeta-Jones.
there.
Katrina
No,
Kaif
no.
is
Katrina
Catherine
Kaif.
Zeta-Jones.
No,
बट क्या
no.
शॉप्स होएगा यार, क्या होएगा इंडियन टर्म? एक ही तो दुकान होएगी जिसपे वो चिप्स और सेव मिलता है, एंड वो गंदा
नहीं, और
पैकेज जो
तेरा-
तू
पिछले
कौन
8
से
साल से
एयरपोर्ट पे
पड़ा है.
जाता है अदर जिधर तेरे को
औरंगाबाद.
like Bombay. अच्छा ठीक है, चल Bombay airport I guess you don't understand, like the
Okay,
nice
so-
No,
one,
but-
T2.
But,
Terminal would be
in-
Terminal would be interesting.
yeah,
Who?
would be a great thing, and maybe you
Bhai.
can also like the thing is
Yeah,
that
but you have to
he's
write the
not-
script in French and then Bhai has
Yeah,
to
but
talk.
he's not stuck in India because because of a passport issue or whatever. Like he's stuck in India because he was booked on a Kingfisher flight and he has no idea.
No, but
But
you
they're
know,
just
like
letting him live.
I think
Yeah.
a lot of the Tom Hanks movies, right, sort of lend themselves to be easily adapted anywhere because they're all in certain sense a very relatable, every guy's story. You know what I mean? It's not like they go specific. I mean, Tom Hanks is a great actor, which is why I
Hmm.
think Lal Singh Chadda, which is Forrest
Hmm.
Gump, is
Yeah.
getting remade 26 years after it fucking came out.
Hmm.
Right? Because I think it was an Amir interview or something that I read where he's like, dude, there's so many people who still don't know. अभी का कितना जनता जिनको आइडिया नहीं है कि फॉरेस्ट गंप क्या है.
No,
Yeah,
and also,
nobody
like,
knows.
it'd be interesting to see which historical characters he interacts with. So if you've seen Forrest Gump
Yeah.
interacts with like
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
his name? The president
Lennon
of
and John Lennon and like
Yeah.
yeah, John Lennon,
By
John
the
F.
way-
Kennedy.
Elvis.
And he goes all over the US helping people and all of
Yeah.
that. But if you remember, there was a movie called My Name is Khan that came out.
yeah.
जिसमें शाहरुख
very
खान को
similar.
एस्पर्जर सिंड्रोम है. उससे भी एक वो एंड में ओबामा को मिलता है
Hmm.
because he helped people during hurricane Sandy. Which one was in
Dude,
New Orleans?
and they got a Barack Obama first copy.
Yeah, proper.
No. But what Varun is saying, what Kautuk, what you're talking about is just like in that footage, right? Like matching the footage, like
Yeah,
know,
like,
just like-
okay, so would you meet Indira Gandhi? Would you meet like who are the
how far
who
back are
the
you going? Are
historical-
you meeting Indira Gandhi? Are you meeting Mahatma Gandhi? Like how far back are you going? Are
Or
you
are you
meeting
meeting
Nehru?
Rahul
Are you
Gandhi?
It
meeting?
depends on the thing.
Yeah, yeah,
If it's
yeah,
set
yeah,
in present day, you would go back to the 80s and thereabouts, right?
yeah.
So maximum. So anyways, it'd be interesting to see that. That would be cool. What else? Castaway should be remade, dude. With
Yeah.
some guy getting stuck on an island in Lakshadweep.
But the thing is, any Tom Hanks movie, right? If I think in my head कि इसको adapt करेंगे, I always see Amir Khan. I don't know why. They also have a very similar looking
Yeah.
face. I've always felt this from when I was young and I'd seen any Tom Hanks movie. He has a very Amir vibe. Or
Dude,
Amir has a very
Amir looks like Gregory Peck only, dude. Like if you see
Hey,
old
dude,
Gregory Peck, it's Amir, dude.
Like ये हमेशा होता है ना, like where there's a listicle always that comes out about which Indian actors would have played the Avengers, right? And Iron Man is like Shah Rukh,
yeah.
and Hulk is Salman, like you know.
वो तो नहीं होगा.
But
No.
अपना वही है ना, budget ही नहीं है CGI का. So Avengers is
First
out.
of all,
What
why would
else?
you want Salman to play the Hulk? You would want the guy who is like, that's like, you want like somebody who's small to be Hulk. Why would like you do the stupid? That's where we fuck up with casting.
But you save on CGI, no? It's like buy shirt निकालने का, green paint डालने का, बस चल. Next.
So yeah,
you know,
what will-
talking about adaptations or whatever, like Vishal Bhardwaj
Or
का
whatever.
आधा filmography is like adapting Shakespeare's work, right? And I think his is one
Hmm.
case wherein that adaptation fits in so beautifully.
Because it's an adaptation. It's a legitimate like adaptation with the so while the plot or the nuances of the plot are sort of stretched out, whether you look at Omkara, he's put it in a context that makes sense here. Whether you look at Heather, he's got like that scene which is get thee to a nunnery from Hamlet, which is that scene, the way he has played it out in that thing where Shahid Kapoor is sort of almost yelling at Shraddha, right? Yeah, who's yelling at Shraddha in that little hut. It's fucking outstanding.
No, Maqbool.
So
Matlab,
Maqbool, unbelievable. Those flashes that he keeps getting. Dude, in Maqbool, can I tell you the most genius fucking thing that he's done? He has cast the three witches as two policemen, as Nasir and Om Puri. He has taken the three witches and he has put and that opening scene, and there's little bits of dialogue which unfortunately I won't be able to like recount exact verbatim, but it's like one is that whole like आग को पानी का डर बने रहना for दुनिया का संतुलन आग को पानी का डर बने रहना चाहिए. That is something that is there. And what's really great is he
all the
eventually
waters of Neptune will not. Yeah.
Yes. So it's but it's in the context of India, and then
Yeah.
not only is he talking about Aag and Pani in the movie, he gets caught because of the water, right? Like he gets caught
Yeah.
because the thing comes out of the water, and that's the kind of meta-ness that Shakespeare put in his work. Like Shakespeare's opening expositions would almost give you the plot line of the play,
but
right? Like they would
not just that, man. Not just that. Like the you asked the question, why does Shakespeare last for 500 years? And the answer is because it's not about like the stories were very superficially about the plot, but very specifically about emotions that don't change over time.
Correct.
Which is why
Right.
you can adapt whatever it was written 500 years ago to like modern day UP.
right?
And
You,
it still
yeah,
works.
like you think about it, comedy of errors. कितने Bollywood picture है? आधे Bollywood picture का plot line is comedy of errors.
with ta-ding, ta-dang, tudung, pa-ding.
You know, it's literally that. So
Yeah.
वो वाला like Shakespearean work to adapt for sure. I think अभी तू 20 साल बाद भी देखेगा तो कोई और एक अलग adaptation ला सकता है.
20
which
साल
is a
बाद अच्छा
more
मूवी था.
futuristic adaptation of Shakespeare. Huh?
I would
20
love to
साल
see
बाद was a
20
good
साल बाद
movie.
again. Now Vikram Bhatt will direct it. Oh shit! I just found a really weird piece of info.
Of
The
course,
year
because
Forrest.
we are coming closer to the end of the podcast. Adar has found a fact.
No, this is like a meme I keep seeing, and I was like, okay, let me just try and find it. The year Forrest Gump won the Oscar.
94.
Yeah, 95.
Dude, that year
and
had
the
Shawshank.
movies,
That
Shawshank,
had Shawshank.
Pulp Fiction, Jurassic
yeah.
Park,
Mm.
and
Yeah,
Four
that year
Weddings
was
and a Funeral.
That year was mad, dude, for fucking cinema that year. It was crazy.
Oh, I would, by the way, I would love to see Godzilla made in Mumbai.
But one sec, this is 94, right? Because in
95.
95, because that's the same year that DDLJ etc. came out, and at Filmfare, DDLJ, Rangila, Ram Jane were nominated. Shah Rukh won Filmfare, Best Actor Filmfare for Ram Jane.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. And Amir is like, what the fuck? Have you seen Rangila?
उसके बाद I think उसने बंद कर दिया. बोला कि
Yeah.
हमसे ना हो
He was
पाए.
like, have you seen Rangila? And then he was like, bro, fuck that. Have you seen DDLJ? Have you seen Ramjane? Like, what is
Yeah.
wrong with you? How can you do that? All right. No, really quickly, I want to ask you, okay, your favorite like Hindi movie adaptation, or at least like your top 2-3 that you really, really like, that you could watch or you would recommend people to watch. Like favorite, like well done.
Munna Bhai
Not
Chachi
sarcasm.
420.
Chachi
Munna Bhai
420,
Chachi.
Munna Bhai.
420.
420, Sangharsh,
Yeah.
for sure. Because these were like those movies that I watched before watching the
Yeah, yeah.
Hollywood.
So for
counterpart.
me, that was for me a
JJWS.
movie that no, JJWS is not a copy. We've
JJWS.
established it just because it fucking has a bicycle race. Okay, but no. A movie for me, Thakur, that I saw first, and then I saw the English version of it was Ek Ruka Hua Faisla with Pankaj Kapoor. Which is outstanding. If you can watch it, watch it. The original is 12 Angry Men, which is also
जो
great.
बाप है.
It's great. It's great, dude. So there's that. Then the whole like the Godfather versions that exist. So whether it's Sarkar, whether
Yeah.
it's Nayagan, whether it is Dayavan, then I mean there's
This
too many
one, dude,
good.
I would
Gulam
fully
is nice.
recommend Yeah, even this one, dude. What's it called? Sholay. This one.
Sholay.
Arey, हाँ, Sholay तो of course, but also Bheja Fry.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
Bheja
Bheja
Fry
Fry.
was
No,
a
dinner for schmucks.
schmucks.
it was
But
nice.
the original was a French movie called Le Dîner de Cons.
Yeah, that got
Yeah,
remade.
it's a play. It's a play
Yeah, but
that was made into a movie, and then these guys took adapted the
it's
play.
hilarious. Like it's a great
Yeah,
movie.
Yeah. No, there's a lot of like old work also, like Shaukin and all are taken from other movies. Like, but yeah, I mean, Shaukin and all not necessarily. Like apparently, by the way, someone has said that Sangam is the inspiration
Pearl
for
Harbor.
Pearl Harbor.
Yeah.
I'm like,
No, because
Guys.
even in that movie, she's dating a guy who goes to war, is supposedly
That
dead.
doesn't
so she
mean
starts dating the
anything.
best friend. And no, bro, but it's literally the same.
Yeah.
Goes to
yeah.
war, dies, and
Yeah,
she thinks,
but
oh,
it's
he's
based
dead.
around
So he
an
starts
event, dude.
dating his best friend. This dead dude comes back and realizes, "Arey, in log dono ka chal raha hai." So the previously
That's
dead
Sangam.
dude then sacrifices himself. No, sorry, the new friend, like
Yeah.
the friend who's alive, realizes that no, it's wrong. I can't do this to my friend. So he ends up sacrificing himself. So that
ये तो
previously dead
दीवाना है.
dude.
ये दीवाना है.
Also Pearl
Rishi
Harbor.
Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan.
Pearl Harbor is exactly this.
What about Sound of Music? Sound of Music was also सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर. ये याद है देखो?
But वो
You don't
गाने की
remember?
बात कर रहा है, पिक्चर की बात कर रहा है.
They like it's just वो बच्चे बहुत सारे बच्चे एक घर में हैं. That's what they ripped off from that movie. They
Dude,
forgot the
apparently-
Nazis.
Dude, that
They
is
very
also in Mr.
conveniently
India.
forgot the Nazis.
No, but
Hey,
that
हाँ,
way,
man.
I mean, Black. If
but-
you look at Black, even Black, which
Miracle
is taken,
Worker.
Miracle Worker, it's taken, dude.
Burfi also, dude. Burfi would recommend. But
Burfi?
dude, this thing that you said, no, about Mr. India. Now that's such a beautiful Indian superhero story. Like when
Yeah.
you talk about like what would be an Indian superhero story, Mr.
Yeah,
India.
yeah.
Perfect.
100%.
Nails it. Like
100%.
everything from hero's backstory to what kind of villain to like just everything about that movie is so beautifully India.
Hmm.
Like ye chahiye. Or like we shouldn't just be ripping off other people. Like you should be creating your own thing, which is just so uniquely us within the genres, right? It'd be fucking crazy.
Sure.
But that's what happens. Right? When you do that, after it, you just leave. Shekhar Kapoor is gone. Like he's never come. Like once you do that, you're done.
तो असली मिस्टर इंडिया कौन है? शेखर कपूर.
Shekhar Kapoor.
Mhm. Correct.
सही है. So I think on that note we've covered pretty much every movie. यहाँ पे ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे तो और Google खुलते रहेगा.
हाँ.
Any other movies? So if you guys have
also
any
just
other
want to
movies
say
that
that
are good
we have-
remakes, अबे
I
रुकना.
think, sorry, Thakur, I just want to say that like we have some like encyclopedic knowledge of fucking movies, dude. Like I've just realized we've done a lot of these movie podcasts without actually looking at Google. Like
Yeah.
it's because we've seen so much shit.
So much.
And we're like, how do we know? How do we remember You, Me, or Hum and Ugly and Pugly?
It's not even how. It's more important question is why.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude,
Just
why?
why?
Dude, the other day I'm telling you, someone I can't even remember, but there was a song from Duplicate playing, dude. Duplicate. Okay, with fucking Shah Rukh as Shah Rukh and dude,
Duplicate was Double
humming
Trouble.
Yeah.
I was humming the song
मेरे
of
मेरे
महबूब
Duplicate.
महबूब
मेरे
मेरे
I'm like,
सनम.
Why do I have this knowledge in my brain?
Guess
Which
who
part of the
composed that
RAM?
song? Guess
Oh,
who composed that song?
अनु अंकल. Nice.
अभी उसको रिवर्स सर्च करते हैं गूगल पे.
Dude, please, अगर अनु मलिक पे पॉडकास्ट किया तो 4
The
दिन
movie's
चलेगा.
name was Duplicate, guys. Let's.
They took it very seriously.
Dude, there's a scene in Duplicate. I'm sorry because it technically works because it's a copy from Double Trouble. Okay, there's a scene in which, so there are two Shah Rukhs. One's the villain Shah Rukh, one's the hero Shah Rukh, right?
Once the Shah Rukh who talks like this.
Yeah.
Trump, Donald Trump, Shah Rukh.
Bebe, ऐसे करके
Yeah.
रहता है.
So you know, in the end, the fight is about who keeps the mom, right? Like how does thing,
Dude, the mom.
dude, you know, so he's like, nahi main actual hu, nahi main actual hu, nahi main actual hu, and all. You know how she decides. So they're
That's the
She
fighting.
hurts
Okay.
herself, no?
No, they ask a question. So she stretches her hands out and they're playing tug of war with Farida Jalal. Okay. And they're
Yeah.
pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling. At some point, her hand starts to hurt and she's crying and all that. Okay. And so the And so one of them leaves her, okay, and then
Yeah.
she's like, "Hey, this guy wins." He's like, "No, this is my actual son because वो अपनी माँ को दर्द में नहीं देख सकता."
No,
I'm
so
like, this is
Bawa,
the fucking conclusion of the film.
Bawa.
This is
One second,
Batman
one
v
second.
Superman.
No, dude. They have stolen this from an Akbar Birbal story. So the
Yeah.
story was
Yeah.
that there was
Yeah.
a child. There was a child, and there's two mothers, and both of the mothers are saying that it's my child, it's my child. So the solution was that Birbal goes to the king and he says, you know what, just cut the baby in half and give one half
Yeah,
to each
yeah,
woman.
yeah.
This was the solution. So the real mom was like, you know what, let it be, let the
You
kid
keep
live.
the
give
I
baby.
it to
thought
this lady.
I would assume Akbar would go like, "ये बच्चे को आधा काट दो," and then Birbal is like, "झापना, let's calm your tits."
नहीं, and
आप
guys, तुम I
एक
don't know
साइड
why
से
all
बच्चे
are
को पकड़ो
surprised.
और आप टांग पकड़ो और खींचो.
I don't know why all surprised because this movie was directed by Mahesh Bhatt.
But of course it was. Yeah. It was.
So Mahesh
So
Bhatt is
And
stealing
it
from the
was-
Mughals.
It was written by Robin Bhatt.
Robin Bhatt.
Robin Bhatt,
But
who
there are
the-
three creditors on this. There's Akash
Yeah,
Khurana,
the guys who
Javed,
wrote.
Javed Siddiqui also.
Well, on that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing shitty remakes of Hollywood movies by Bollywood and also some good remakes. If there is any other movie that you think we missed out on, let us know in the comments. Also, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Please make your friends watch it. And yeah, that's about it from this episode. Thank you so much. See you guys next week.
Hold up.
Is this a remake of Big Question?
Yeah, this is